Welcome back. Continuing the news. Anti-corruption watchdog National Integrity Action NIA says it's against the government's plan to permit mining in the dry Harbour Mountains area of St. Ann. Principal Director of NIA, Professor Trevor Monroe, believes the move would be in breach of Jamaica's constitution. He's urging Prime Minister Andrew Holness to reconsider and withdraw the approval granted for Bengal Development Limited to mine in the area.
And we believe that against the background of NEPA and the RCA's refusal in May 2020, the grounds on which they refused to grant the approval a few months ago was, and here I quote, the deleterious effect on the environment, end of quote. We believe that you cannot abrogate or infringe the right in the Constitution except as the Constitution itself states may be demonstrably justified in a free and democratic society. We do not believe that the statements of the Prime Minister, however well-intentioned, and of the government meet that high standard to justify infringing the right to the environment set out in the Constitution of Jamaica.
Professor Monroe further argues that allowing mining goes against Jamaica's National Development Plan Vision 2030.
Police say they've made a breakthrough in a car-stealing ring that seems to be spreading from Clarendon to other parishes. Head of Operations for the Clarendon Police, Superintendent Christopher Phillips, gave an update at the latest Municipal Corporation meeting. Krista Campbell has the story.
Serious crimes on the decline in Clarendon, with the exception of rape and larceny. At the latest Municipal Corporation meeting, Head of Operations for the Clarendon Police, Superintendent Christopher Phillips, said the police are keeping close watch on the latter, particularly as it relates to a car-stealing ring in the parish. He says the Maypen Town Centre continues to be the main target.
Bargain Village owns the street in the vicinity of the tax office and the Shoppers Fair supermarket. There are other areas of concern too, like the Courts parking lot, Windsor Avenue, Mineralized area, Main Street, Jane Bank, Stark Street, Morris Hall, Rockefeller, and Manchester Avenue.
With the upcoming festive season expected to attract even more criminal activities, the police want residents, especially business people, to be alert. Superintendent Phillips says grey Toyota motor cars are the vehicles of choice.
Seeing the Civic, the Pro, Box, Familia, Delta, Axia, Corolla, Tony, and Kia as popular vehicles.
He says the police are increasing foot and mobile patrols as well as anti-vending operations because criminals pose as vendors to carry out their illegal activities. A special police team also made several raids in James Hill recently.
10 persons were searched, 2 motor vehicles were seized, 5 motor vehicle titles were found, a number of vehicle documents to include fitness, registration and insurance papers were found. Searches also led to the seizure of large sums of cash and then numerous car parts on the premises.
Superintendent Phillips says the closed-circuit TVs have also helped the police catch some of the car thieves, and further improvements in the surveillance system should yield even more positive results during the Christmas holidays. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.